In this session, we will plot the image chart or pictograph in Excel 2013 to show how we can use any image in the Excel chart, and this chart is very important in the finance industry, particularly in the equity research or investment banking. We will discuss the uses of this chart in finance industry. First, let's learn how to plot this chart. Plot the normal column chart and we will convert this to image chart. Select the data and go to the Insert Chart and let's plot the normal column chart for this data. Now we have to use the images, and here we are using social media data. So we will use the social media images, so I have kept the social media images ready with me. There are two steps to convert column chart into pictograph. Step 1. Copy the image. Ctrl+C for copy, and we have to paste this image on Facebook column. So click on Facebook column and it will select all the columns as you can see. But we want to select just the Facebook column, so click on the Facebook column again, and now you can see only Facebook column is selected and rest becomes deselected. Now we can paste the Facebook image. And Ctrl+V is keyboard shortcut for paste. The image appears stretched, that is because of default option of stretch, as I will show in shortly. Step 2. You can see Facebook column is still selected. And then do right click on Facebook column and click on Format Data Point and go to Fill, and under the Fill, and now you can see stretch option is selected. You can change this option to stack. And done. Now we can repeat these two steps for others images. Copy the image of Twitter using Ctrl+C on keyboard. And click on Twitter column and click again so that only Twitter is selected, and paste using Ctrl+V. And then do the right click on Twitter column. And go to Fill. And under Fill choose the Stack option. Rest only formatting of chart like Fill Color from Home tab. You can choose any color for background. And then choose Text Color in Contrast. Also you can remove these grid lines, just select and press Delete button. Uses of this chart: let's say you are plotting the revenue or profits of products of company like car models. You can use images of products. 2. If you are using the forex currency data, you can use dollar, pound, rupee symbols. So wherever you have images, you can create image chart. We will covering more interesting charts in advanced Excel topics and future videos. See you in my next video.